In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Phantom Wallet to your bank account using Coinbase. So, grab your comfortable seat as we jump into these clear, easy-to-follow steps to get your transaction moving smoothly. First off, we'll start with logging into your Coinbase account. So please go ahead and navigate to the Coinbase website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of features, but what we're focusing on today is transferring your funds. Look for the transfer option. It's generally very visible on the interface, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Once you've located it, you can click on it to proceed. The platform will now ask you whether you'd like to send or receive crypto. For our purposes, we want to receive, so make sure to click on that option. You'll then need to select Solana as the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive, and afterward, your specific Solana address will be generated. You'll need to copy this address carefully, as you'll soon use it in your Phantom Wallet. With that address securely copied, let's move on to the Phantom Wallet. Open the Phantom application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. There, right on your homepage, you should be able to see your balance and a display of your tokens. Phantom also provides you with options such as receiving, sending, swapping, and buying, but for now, we're going to focus on sending. Go ahead and click on the option to send, and once prompted, select Solana, the cryptocurrency we are dealing with today. Now remember that Solana address you copied from Coinbase. This is where it comes into play. You'll need to paste that address in the given space, making sure that there are no errors to ensure a successful transaction. Double check to be certain, as any mistake here might lead to unintended transfers. After the address has been entered, it's time to decide on the amount of Solana you wish to send. Enter that amount carefully, and once satisfied with it, go ahead and click on Next. Soon thereafter, the system will guide you through a series of prompts on your screen. Just follow these instructions meticulously to complete your transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can transfer funds from your Phantom Wallet to your Coinbase account, eventually allowing you to transfer it to your bank. It's all about understanding each step to make the process as smooth as possible. If at any point you encounter any issues, feel free to re-watch this video or reach out to customer support for assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.